Hello viewers, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jude, and today we're going to have a continuation from our last class, and our topic today is going to be on the second type of variation, which is the inverse variation. But before we go into that, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button so that you'll get notified anytime a new video is being dropped. As well, help us to share and like our video. Let us look at the question on the board now. We have that if y varies inversely as x, and if y is equals to 5 when x is equals to 4, find x when y equals to 40. So if we are to look at this, we are going to have y varies inversely as what? As x. So by the time we introduce our constant, we have y is equals to k all over x. So when y is equals to 5, x is equals to 4. Therefore, the value of our k will give us 5 times 4. And then k is equals to what? 20. So from here now, we can now say that the relationship between y and x is, we fall back to this place. We have y is equals to k, sorry, the value of k now is 20 all over what? All over x. So you can now go ahead to solve the second question that said that when y is equals to 40. So that means 40 is equals to 20 over x. So by the time you make your x your subject formula, you have 20 over 40. So the value of your x is equals to 1 all over 2 or 0.5.